To add a volume indicator in MetaTrader 5, first open your MetaTrader 5 platform and navigate to the Market Watch window. In this window, you will see a list of available financial instruments. Select the instrument you want to add the volume indicator to and open its chart by double-clicking on it. Once the chart is open, click on the Insert menu at the top of the screen and select Indicators from the drop-down menu. In the Indicators window, click on Volumes and then select Volume. This will add the volume indicator to your chart. The volume indicator will be displayed below the price chart and will show the trading volume for each period. You can customize the appearance of the volume indicator by right-clicking on it and selecting Properties. In the Properties window, you can change the color and style of the volume indicator, as well as add additional features such as alerts and levels. To get the most out of the volume indicator, it is essential to understand its key concepts. The volume indicator measures the number of trades or contracts that have been executed during a given period. It can be used to confirm trends, identify potential breakouts, and spot divergences. For example, if the price of an instrument is increasing and the volume is also increasing, it can be a sign of a strong trend. On the other hand, if the price is increasing but the volume is decreasing, it can be a sign of a weak trend. Best practices for using the volume indicator include using it in combination with other indicators, such as moving averages and relative strength index. It is also essential to consider the time frame and the type of instrument you are trading, as volume can vary significantly depending on these factors. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can effectively add a volume indicator to your MetaTrader 5 platform and use it to improve your trading decisions. The volume indicator is a powerful tool that can provide valuable insights into market trends and sentiment, and can be used to develop a successful trading strategy.